We're going to set the tone for today's podcast with a guided meditation for abundance and prosperity using the energy of Tiger's Eye.
All right, thank you so much. Let's just take a minute to give thanks to everything, the time, the day. You can be sitting down or lying down for this. You just have to make sure your spine is straight. This is going to enhance the abundance, prosperity to flow through you. Take a breath in, deep down into that diaphragm, the solar plexus area. And as you breathe out, draw the energy. Exhale anything you don't need at this point in time. We're going to draw in the energy of Tiger's Eye, a gold flame energy surrounding you right now. Just imagine that gold light around your body, providing you protection, providing you attraction, magnetism radiating from inside of you. Draw yourself down into the earth, completely grounded.
Olivia's channeled in that energy, and I feel that's in our root chakra, and we're going to continue to draw that in and bring it up further into our sacral chakra, where our creativity lies, where our sexual energy is. We are taking that energy and empowering us. We are expanding, we are growing, we are letting go of all the past pains in our lives. We're releasing that energy, and we're filling the space with love, abundance, prosperity, more creativity, a healthy sex life. We are empowering ourselves. We are filling our life with love, joy, and happiness.
Keep breathing in this space. You're going to feel the energy building in your core. This is the strength, the power, the intuitive responsibility. Let's rid right now procrastination. Let's rid anger. Let's rid any grief, any stagnation. Just breathe. Allow it to flow through you. Picture that golden light showering down over your head, showering down over your shoulders, all over your body, your physical form, your auric fields. Right now, guys, just smile. The smile is going to invite new opportunity. Bring in that Tiger's Eye frequency. Place the Tiger's Eye crystal, many bands of yellow and brown and iridescent glow of gold. Place that right now on your sacral, on your solar plexus, on your core, your stomach. You're going to draw in that abundance. Bring it in with that smile. Breathe out any worry. Abundance, prosperity, wealth, opportunity, courage, action. Just breathe.
Place your hands in prayer hand position and continue to keep your eyes closed. We are giving thanks for this moment. Breathe deeply from your diaphragm. Inhale. Hold it. Exhale. Release all of that air out of your body. We give thanks. I'm visualizing the energy of earth from the core to the surface. We're channeling that energy. It's empowering us. Our life is abundant. is full of prosperity. We are able to see a clear path from where we are now to where we want to be. Our life is flowing with ease and grace. Continue to keep your eyes closed with visualizing a field of sunflowers. These sunflowers are bringing us joy, creativity, new beginnings. A bountiful harvest is coming your way. See the nature. Fill yourself with those bright colors, original to the source. The light inside of nature. Place the flowers, the beautiful sunflowers, all over your human body. Your human body. Your human body. Allow the nature to bring in the vibration. Abundance fills every cell. Prosperity comes to me in all directions. Opportunity is my friend. Abundance will come through opportunities for you to show service, give kindness, produce charity, and serve humanity. Keep your hands in that prayer position because it's going to have to go through your heart with love. Bow that head with a smile and just give thanks for yourself. I thank you, self. I thank you, self. Beyond identity, beyond time and space. Allow the stone of Tiger's Eye to provide you the power to expand a brand, a mission, a voice. Who am I? Ask yourself, who am I? Take a deep breath, everyone. Breathe out total gratitude and keep breathing. Coming back to yourself, feeling that energy vibrating in you. Go ahead now and just wiggle your toes and shake your hands out. Get inside of yourself. Allow everything to just drop off of you. Open your eyes when you're ready and come back. You can come back to this anytime for a boost of vitality to enhance the prosperity frequency in your life.